Invasive at big distraction. Ganyan inilarawan ng American author na si Nicholas Kaufman ang sagutan ng mga pro at anti-Duterte sa kanyang social media page matapos siyang mapagkamalang abogado ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ang ilan naroon anya para magbigay linaw at humingi ng paumanhin. Nakatutok si Bea Pinlac.
Dalawang magkaibang tao, parehong Nicholas Kaufman. Ang isang Kaufman, lead defense counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court. Ang isa naman, American author ng horror at thriller. Ang manunulat, tila walang kamalay-malay na nadamay sa usapin ng kaso ni Duterte online. Sa panayam ng GMA Integrated News, ikinuwento ni Kaufman na halos isang buwan nang binabaha ng mga comment at message mula sa Filipino netizens ang kanyang social media pages. Kaya napapost na siya para sabihin na hindi siyang Kaufman na abogado ni Duterte.
The first couple of weeks, it was all very pro-Duterte. People thought I was his ICC lawyer and wanted to wish me good luck and give me all sorts of best wishes. This week things changed and the more anti-Duterte crowd found me as well. They started sort of arguing with the pro-Duterte crowd in my comments. It blew up. It feels very invasive because it's been a big distraction, to me trying to get any work done or anything.
Dalawang beses nang nag-post si Kaufman sa Facebook para umapelang ihinto na ang pagpapadala sa kanya ng mga mensahe.
Believe it or not, there are people who commented that they thought I was lying. Apparently, they feel that Nicholas Kaufman from the ICC has a side gig as a writer of horror and thrillers in New York City, which is very strange.
Isang language barrier sa nakikita ni Kaufman na ugat ng kalituhan.
Please stop. You've got the wrong guy. I would like for them to please just, kindly stop.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Bea Pinlac, nakatutok 24 oras.